What's up everyone, welcome so much to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, karibu sana. Subscribe to this channel for more vlogs. And I'm so thankful that you got in time to watch this video. It is just an amazing one, guys. And if you are a returning subscriber, my friend, my bestie, you guys, you are just the best. I mean, without you I cannot do this. Without you I can't get the morale to do more videos. I just get to see that you are able to view or to watch my videos, and I'm encouraged to even do more other videos. So happy new year. We are too hopeful that this year is unique. It's different from the other years. We are hopeful that this year it is a success. It is a year whereby we'll be able to win each day, each month, and every after the other month. So happy new year once again. I hope and I pray that, guys, this will be your year. So thank you so much for always keeping it up here. So let me introduce this video. What is it for, and what am I doing in this vlog? So I remember I talked about when I was doing my Bedsitter tour. If you haven't watched it, it's just right here. If you haven't watched my Bedsitter tour, it's just right here. So I talked about on how I want to do a room makeover transformation, but of course this won't be done all at once. I'll be doing it in bits, and I'll be shooting a video, an overview video of what I have been able to change in the house. So I mentioned putting a wallpaper to this side of my TV stand. I'm going to show you the area, and today that is what we are going to do. So I purchased one already, and it is here. Yes, be happy for me. I mean, every step I'm just excited on how God has been faithful. I'm just super excited on how so anyway, so much happiness, guys. So this is a white and black wallpaper, and it is a peel and stick. I bought this 1500, and if you want to know where I bought it, and if you need one, just comment right in the comment section, and I'm going to recommend for you a place where you can find nice wallpapers. And guys, I mean good, and I'll be able to recommend to you a place where you can be able to get a nice wallpaper. Of course, I don't think they're all 1500, but it depends. There even those that are even 2000. There are those that are even 3000 or even 25. So I think it depends on what you want. You want a 3D, or you want how do they call them, block wallpapers, something like that. Anyways, let's get to the start of this video. So let me show you my sitting space where I want to put the wallpaper. This is the place. That is where my TV stand is. I don't know if the light is clear. Power is gone. I can't put in more light, and I want to put it from up there until. So I think this will be enough. I pray it's enough for this space, because I want it to start from the door until somewhere, as long as it reaches the where that mirror is. It's okay. Even if it doesn't go further until the extreme end, but as long as it covers from here to there where the mirror is, it is just fine for me. So let me just show you the entire place. So I want you to get at just from the door, from the start of the door there, there to around here. If it gets more further, if it gets beyond here, it is okay, but I'm going to do it from up until that place. I hope you guys are able to see that. That is where I want. So this is the before. I can already do this. It is the before, and you guys, I'll be able to show you the after. So are you guys ready? I hope I have light coming up the other side of the window. I hope you guys will be able to see this video clearly. I don't know if I can change it to this other side, or I can add something. Just a minute. So guys, I hope right now you're able to see the full view. I wanted to put the camera on my bed, but there was a lot of light coming from the window. So I hope this is much clearer. And let's get to the start of this video. Yeah, so the wallpaper. So like I said, this wallpaper is our peel and stick. I'm not going to use glue, but there are those whereby you have to use glue. So let's get started. I have to first of all measure. I don't have a